The underarm sunrise. A really nice move I saw in a rope dart video lately and I just had to learn it. How does it work? I start spinning forwards in a reverse Fiberwhip. You can also do it in a forwards Fiberwhip, but reverse I find more convenient. I'm going to start spinning here on the plane between me and the wall, so away from the camera. Spinning forwards over there to the piece slowly. And then during the spin, I let the fibers slide a bit more through my fingers to get more length. And the next step is to spin around the open arm like this. So the fibers really wrap around the arm. And then I let go of the fibers with the anchor hand. So spinning here, and then I turn 180 degrees. So now I spin here on the plane between me and the camera. And I'm spinning backwards here. So from here, wrap around the arm backwards. And here's the point when you spin up, where the fibers leave the arm, and you spin just up right behind you into nowhere. And then you turn your back to the whip and catch here with the other arm. You reach really behind you to hold the arm in the way of the spinning whip to catch it here. So you end up in this position. From here, from the time the fibers go under the armpit, across your back, and then over the arm here. This is actually a second point where you can start the movement, which is really versatile for transition. So wherever you get into another move, where you have this position or can easily get in this position, that's a good transition point to get into the underarm sunrise. From here, the whip spins in full circle behind your back, spins up behind you before you again turn the other way and get into wall plane on that side. So you spin here, get to here, the whip coming out here, and then again you just spin the whip up right behind you on this wheel plane, just into nowhere, and then again turn your back to the whip and catch here again with the other arm, and you're back to where you started. The whole time this arm that holds the tail end has to stay bent to keep the whip then anchored here on the upper arm. If you stretch your arm, the fibers will slide off. So for this version you have to keep your arm bent. So once again showing the whole movement. So you start here, spinning forwards towards the piece line, then wrap around the arm, turn, spin up, catch, turn, spin up, catch, turn, spin up, catch, spin up, and so forth. Showing from a different angle. So now starting here, spinning towards the cabinet, forwards on the plane between me and the camera. So you see the other side, and you spin around the arm, to spin up, catch, like so. Spinning towards the camera, spinning forwards here, around the arm, and I catch. And the last one, now spinning towards the wall, forwards, and it looks like this. At first you just hold your arm in the way somehow, maybe a little bit bent, and later on when you're comfortable with the move, then you can focus more on keeping your arms straight or putting your hand on your hips, doing extra spins in between, focus on the stepping, on the footwork. So there's a lot to level up, but that's the first basic move. Other hand. Once again I start spinning here on the plane between me and the wall, spinning forwards. There you spin around the open arm, let go of the fibers here with the other hand, let them fiber slide through your fingers a bit so that you get the required length. So you are here in this open arm. And then you turn around here to the other wheel plane. So now you're spinning backwards. And from there you spin right behind you into nowhere. And then turn your back to the whip and catch the fibers here with the other arm. And then in this position, from the hand that holds the fibers under the armpit, across the back, over the other arm into this position that you can also use as a starting point and transition point from other moves. Here, the whip spins up a full circle behind your back before you turn back the other way and get on this wheel plane again. So you spin here, come out on this wheel plane, and here again you spin up, backwards, right behind you, and then catch with the other arm. Once again, the full movement. You start spinning forwards, around the arm, turn up, catch, turn up, catch, turn up, catch, and so forth. Also showing this from another angle. Now start spinning forwards on the plane between me and the camera. Spinning forwards around the arm to up, up, and so forth. And start spinning towards the camera forwards, around the arm, and it looks like this. And the last one, spinning forwards towards the wall, around the arm, up. Like this. Hope you like it, have fun with it.